guys! You're supposed to say hi. Hi, what's up? Welcome back to our channel, Pretty Little Things. This one's Akriti, I'm Shaurya, and I have no idea why she's holding my hand like this. Why?
Holding her hand because we're doing a favorite video. She's my favorite. Forever. This is not a monthly favorite. It's a forever favorite.
So cute. That's like a awe moment. I'm blushing.
So let's get into the video and see what her favorites are. So the first product which I have with me is this light box from the Stylish Homes. I'm going to link it down below and ta-da!
It looks so cool, especially at night.
So you got like a couple of alphabets and you can place them and then use it anywhere. It looks really cool. You can write funny stuff, cute stuff, and decorate it in any way you want.
Every day you'll have like a new thing. So my first favorite thing has to be this one. But we're talking about a monthly favorites and you cannot be on my monthly list because you obviously are forever. So the first favorite monthly thing is this bag. We recently picked this up from Mumbai. This one's from Charles & Keith, and I wanted another black bag and with a chain, so this one suits perfectly and it's huge. It fits all of the things that I want.
So she carries a lot of things and she needs a bag which fits everything. She cannot live with a bag, the one I carry. Like, two bags I carry with nothing inside, but she wants something with
I want everything in my bag. Whatever I need should be in my bag. So this fits in perfectly, all the things that I need. So I like this.
So the next product which I have with me is actually something which you can use for your protection.
So true. Yeah.
So if you're outside and you're traveling alone, don't be scared because you have this shoe. So these are these really cool shoes from Jeffrey Campbell, and as you can see, there are no heels. They look very unique and I wanted to try these so badly. They were like similar something in Steve Madden for a while.
Yeah.
And they were in plain suede, which didn't look so cool to me. But these are very unique. They actually like hurt. Like they're heavy.
If you
and
hold
you can like
break some. हिंदी में बोलते हैं ना जूता निकाल के मार.
This is actually gonna like stab and hit
so
and do everything, I think. But they look so cool. Huh?
So my next favorite are shoes as well, and these are from Adidas. I wanted these since I have no idea when. Like I saw them I think 3 months, 4 months back, and since then I've been eyeing on it, and all thanks to this one. She told me you'll get it there and I'm like, I want it! So yeah, these are the only ones that I like, so I picked these up and now I'm in love.
So we've been traveling so much and I needed a bag in which I could keep everything and which is a little personalized and something different. So I got this makeup organizer, a travel thing from Organize It, and it's really cute because they put my name in here and it's got this glitter thing going on right here. So I don't carry a lot of stuff, so I told you that I carry very few things and everything fits into this really well. Everything miniature you can carry, but still this looks this much but it has a lot of stuff. Probably you carry such big bags, isliye I'm feeling ki I'm carrying such little stuff.
No, but then this has like compartments, so if you want to organize your pencils, your lipsticks and everything, it's in one compartment and you're sorted. So that's like a really good part about this. So because it's summers, I had to have sunglasses in my favorites, and these are the one from Versace. I picked them up last month or something, but I've been wearing it throughout this summer and this is how it looks like. It has a very sleek design, but I completely love it.
Okay, so everybody keeps asking me about what highlighter do I use, and the current one which I truly like is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's their glow kit. It's called the Ultimate Glow Kit because it's got different highlighters.
Ultimate glow.
It's a whole palette with different highlighters in it and they are really cool.
You can use it as an eyeshadow also, no?
Yeah, you can. So this is my favorite and you can find out where to get this below.
Okay, so my next favorite has to be these two lipsticks from Victoria's Secret. Now, these are velvet matte. They dry completely matte without drying your lips, and that's the best part about these lipsticks. These were the only two colors, the bright ones that I like, which were available, and now I'm aiming to pick more.
talking about lipsticks, I just got my shipment from Kylie and I got so many lipsticks and this one is my favorite. So I just tried the Metal Matte lipstick. So it's matte and it's metallic and it's nude. So it's something which is very different and cool and I think you guys should really try.
So my next favorite is this body scrub from Bomb Cosmetics and the fragrance is strawberry and I love strawberry. Like that's it. That's precisely the reason why I like it, because it smells of strawberry.
I like the packaging, they were really
Yeah.
cute stuff.
And it's pink, okay?
Oh, I want to smell it. Oh,
It has a
so
very
good.
bubblegummy strawberry kind of fragrance. I just want to eat it, but no, it's not for.
It looks like frozen yogurt also.
Can you stop dreaming of frozen yogurt every time you see something like that?
I used to have it so much.
Anyway, so yeah, this is my next favorite.
Okay, so like I was saying, I'm used to carrying like small bags and I just put like very small random things in it somehow, and I have been obsessed with my new Prada. I got this one from Italy, and since Prada is a Milan brand, I got a good price over it. Also, this is very tiny and you can just put it across and carry it everywhere, and I'm sure you guys must be seeing this in all of my pictures and my flat lays and
Yes.
my hands, my nail polish, my ring or whatever. It's just there.
She's been
everywhere.
obsessed with it precisely because of the size.
Yeah, I
It's
love
such a convenient size for her. So my last favorite is this keychain from H&M. I first saw this in Singapore, but I don't know why I didn't pick it up then. I finally picked this up. It's pretty cute. It's black. It has a bow and has like a golden detail on it, and this is how it looks like. Okay, so there is one last thing that has been Akriti's favorite this month, and I'm so happy that it's her favorite, because each time she's like, "Ye kya pee rahi hai?" And now I'm like, "Yes!" What is it?
It's coffee!
But there's a different reason why she's liking coffee. What is it?
Yeah, so what motivated me to have coffee, especially black coffee, is fitness related reasons. So it actually reverses your metabolism, and there's something called a bulletproof coffee or a keto coffee. So you go guys, read about it and you would know that it actually reverses your metabolism and makes you thin if you have it on empty stomach in the morning. So she's happy because last night also we went out and had black coffee. Can you like imagine?
I can never imagine her doing that. But I was like, yay, I have company. So that was it, guys. These are all our favorite things in the month of April, and we really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. And please don't forget to
Like, share and subscribe to
Pretty Little Things.